The best ways to create and earn passive income. Be sure to subscribe for some of the best ways to navigate life, and be sure to check out the links in the description if you're interested in deepening your journey. Let's begin. Niche subscription boxes. Curate unique and themed subscription boxes catering to a specific interest or hobby. Subscribers receive a monthly box filled with curated items, providing you with recurring revenue. Develop a board game or card game, or design and sell print-on-demand merchandise. Create an engaging board or card game and crowdfund its production through platforms like Kickstarter. Once produced, sell it online or in stores, earning passive income from each sale. And you can also create eye-catching designs and sell them on print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Redbubble. You'll earn royalties each time a product featuring your design is sold, without the need for inventory management. Create a guided meditation or ASMR channel. Record soothing guided meditation or ASMR audio tracks and publish them on platforms like Spotify or YouTube. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or premium subscriptions. Rent out unique experiences or items. Offer one-of-a-kind experiences or items for rent, such as themed party supplies, luxury camping gear, or vintage clothing. Collect rental fees and potentially expand your offerings over time. Virtual escape rooms. Design and develop virtual escape rooms that can be played remotely by groups of friends or coworkers. Charge a fee for access to each escape room, generating passive income as more people play. Create a recipe or DIY project blog. Share your culinary or crafty talents by creating a blog with step-by-step guides for recipes or DIY projects. Monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, or selling digital products like recipe ebooks or printable templates. License your inventions, patents, or create a mobile app. If you have a knack for inventing, license your inventions or patents to companies who can manufacture and sell the products. Earn royalties from each sale, generating passive income over time. If you like, create a mobile app, develop a mobile app and publish it on platforms like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Earn passive income through in-app purchases, advertising revenue, or subscription fees. Develop an online course, language learning app, or ebook. Create a language learning app or podcast that helps users learn a new language through engaging lessons and activities. Monetize your content through in-app purchases, advertising revenue, or subscription fees. Or write and self-publish an ebook on a popular topic or niche. Sell it through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, earning royalties each time a copy is sold. You can also create an online course, develop and sell an online course on a topic you're knowledgeable about. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and market your course, and you can earn passive income as students enroll. Host a virtual art gallery and use stock photography. Showcase your artwork or collaborate with other artists to create a virtual art gallery, or you can use stock photography. Just be sure to add your unique spin. Sell digital prints or limited edition physical copies of the artwork, earning passive income from each sale. License your creative work. If you're an artist, musician, or designer, license your work for use in various media formats. Collect royalties whenever your work is used, generating passive income over time. You can also take high-quality photos and sell them on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or iStock. You'll earn royalties each time someone purchases one of your images. And here are some more traditional ways to earn passive income. Although they are used more often, they are still tried and true, and many success stories are continuing to come out of these more traditional ways. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks that offer regular payouts to shareholders. Choose stable, well-established companies with a history of consistent dividends for a reliable income stream. Peer-to-peer lending. Use platforms like Lending Club or Prosper to lend money to individuals or small businesses, earning interest on your investment over time. Real estate investment trusts. Invest in REITs, which are companies that own and manage income-producing real estate properties. They typically distribute a portion of their earnings as dividends to shareholders. Rental properties. Purchase residential or commercial properties and rent them out to tenants, generating monthly rental income while also potentially benefiting from property appreciation. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through your blog, social media, or email list, earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Check out some of the links below in the description if you would like more information on furthering your education with guides on how to start your passive income journey today.